Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to apply the new slice card if we have lost the old one. The first thing you have to do, guys, you have to go to the application, you have to block your slice card. First thing, if you think that your slice card is missed, do that. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So once you have blocked your slice card, you have to open your Gmail, the mail which you use to log in the slice card, and send a mail to help@sliceit.com. So this is the mail ID you have to use, and the request you have to write. So you have to write request for new slice card. So this is the subject you'll write. So this is the mail ID from which we have to send the mail. So now you have to write the body here. The body will be, so you can write like this: I lost my slice card and the slice application. I have temporarily suspended my slice card, requesting for a new slice card. You write this, and also you have to mention at the end, like that said thank you. Then you have to write your name and email ID you have to mention. So both the things you have to mention here. Once you mention the mail and the email ID, those are very crucial. So once you send this mail, you'll get a revert mail. So you'll get an automated mail like this: thanks for reaching out to Slice support. Your concerns are top priority for us. Our support team will take a look and get back to you earliest. This is an automated mail from Slice. So one of the executive will take your request and will do it on priority. In the revert mail, they'll send us the procedure how to get the slice card, or you'll get a notification the slice card itself to apply for a new slice card. Two things will happen. Hope you'd have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.